Google Meet is a great way to have a synchronous lesson online. But when you open the page, there's no obvious way to schedule a meeting for a future time. Only the ability to join or create a meeting immediately. But the app gives an indication that you have no meeting scheduled. So it is possible to have a scheduled meeting. But how do you do it? Well, the answer lies in Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar and choose the date and time you'd like to have your synchronous lesson. Click to add the event. Add any guests you would like to invite. They will be sent invitations via email. Click Add Location, then click Add Conferencing. This will add a link to join Hangouts Meets. Give your event a title and click Save. Now, click the event you just created. Click the Copy button and copy the link. Go to your class screen. Now, we have two options. The first option is to go to your class screen and create a new post. Type a brief explanation and click Add Link. Paste the link to the Meet and click Add Link. Click Post to post the link to the meeting. Doing it this way has one notable drawback. As events are added to the stream, the post will move down the list. In this case, simply click the three dots and select Move to the top. A better way might be to create an assignment. Go to the Classwork tab, click Create Assignment. Give your event a title and description. Click Add Link and paste the link to the meeting. Give the assignment a due date, possibly the date and time of the synchronous lesson. Assign the assignment to a topic, then click Assign. Now, when you go to your stream, you'll see the assignment in your upcoming events. If you use a naming convention, your students will be able to easily tell when they have an upcoming synchronous lesson. Thanks for watching.